Alright, so what we have here is your basic stretch chain. As you can see, this thing goes well past the case. Just like after a fight, you check, make sure you got all your teeth. And these are certainly rounded, and I see grooves in here, but they're all there. And just from this angle, everything else looks, quite nice. I don't have any metal parts or anything. I suppose if you can get lucky in a situation like this, just having the chain be the problem would be considered lucky.